Hi, here I am on the Pancakes with Start puzzle exercise that I'm about to solve here. So when I get to the screen, I'd see something like this. Move myself out of the way here. You don't need that much, Smith. Okay, so when you come to a screen like this, they've already given you the instructions, but I don't know if you're like me, I sometimes forget. In fact, I always forget. So I will go over to the assignment tab up here just to reread the instructions. I can refer back to this anytime. Carol's the waiter who needs to deliver a stack of pancakes to the guests on 2nd, 4th, and 6th avenues. Okay, so the avenues are the up and downs. Each stack of pancakes should have 3 pancakes. Create a function called make pancakes. So create a function called make pancakes to help Carol create the pancake stacks. All right, and then the world should end up exactly as shown here. So here's our world with 1, 2, 3, like that. All right, and you should create a start function. No code should exist outside of a function. So that means all of my code is going to be inside a function like this. Make pancakes. Oops. There we go. So I have my function. I have the word function, the function name, open, close, whoops, come on, Smith, open, close parentheses. I made that curly brace to start the function definition, and then it automatically added this closing one for me. But you got to make sure that's there. Usually it'll automatically add it for you. So make pancakes. Let's see here. I think make pancakes should just be to like drop the ball 3 times. So if I don't remember how to drop the ball, I can open up my side panel here, and it gives me some quick docs, right? Just to help me remember how to write these things. If I forgot how to like define a function, there's an example here. So put ball and take ball. Right, so I want put ball, right? So make pancakes means put ball, put ball, put ball 3 times. All right. Good. So if I run this code now, I'm going to go back up to my tab here and click run code. If I run it, nothing happens. I get this little error message. Oops, there should be 3 balls at 1, 6, but there are 0. Right? Because all I've done is define the function here. I haven't actually told Carol to do the things in this function. So defining the function is just teaching Carol what make pancakes means. To actually have Carol make the pancakes, I'll need to type make pancakes. And I need to spell it right, like that. Now, if I run the code, Carol will make pancakes there. You can't see the 3, but so here's where I'm defining the function, telling Carol what it means to make pancakes. Here's where I actually call the function, where I'm telling Carol to actually do those things. So let's do the next part of this assignment now. So world should end up exactly shown here. So I'm going to do like a move and then make some pancakes, and then move and then make some pancakes, and move and make some pancakes, and then a final move, I guess. So let's do a move, then make pancakes, and then move, and then make pancakes, and we'll just see what happens here when I go run. And I may have made a typo. Probably meant move. Good. Okay, thank you for the help there. Good. If I ever get stuck, by the way, and this run button isn't there, maybe it says continue instead of run, just hit this reset. This will automatically just sort of start your code over again. It's not going to erase what you have here, right? But it makes that run button show up again. So now I'll run, and all right, so things are heading in the right direction. But you know what? This told me to put all my functions inside the start function. So I'm going to make a new function here called function start. And that's what this lesson is about, right? Putting all these inside the start function. Because I think you've already made make pancakes before. This isn't new stuff, right? I'm just going to indent those in because it looks nicer that way. It looks a little cleaner. Move, make pancakes. Move, make pancakes. Move, make pancakes. I think there was a move on the end too, right? So let's run this, see what happens. Okay, so far so good, except those should be spread out a little more. Okay, so I want to put another move in between all the make pancakes. So something like that. There's another way to go about this. I'd be curious to see if you have a look at that. It involves only writing move once. So let's run. Cool. Nice job, Carol. You got this. Oh, Carol crashed into a wall because I have an extra move at the end. Here's the thing where, see, like the run button isn't here. And if I try to remove this, continue, I'm still like getting an error even though I fixed my code. So make sure you, if this says continue, make sure you push the reset button. That just starts the code over again, gets it out of that error mode, and allows you to run again. So now we will run. Cool. And things look a lot better. Did I get the nice job? I got the nice job at the end. Okay. And I think the last requirement here was, right, no code should exist outside a function. Right, so I have my make pancakes function and I have my start function. And there's these little arrows right next to the numbers here. You can even collapse those down to hide all the function definitions. And this is what it should look like. There should be nothing except functions at the end if you collapse them down. Alrighty, happy coding. How do I turn this thing off?